Oranges, so. Hey, you've got a ball. I don't know what the hell that is. You've got a little elephant. That was mine when I was a baby. And you've got this 2 days ago. And then you got this. And that's mine as well. And that was mine as well. And that was a ball. And then this is mine. I give it to him. That's still mine as well. And this is his as well. It's a gorilla. And it's full. And the first one is mine. And then this is gonna just trophy rally off, and it's not mine.
Alright, man. Steady, okay?
And then here's this turtle, that's mine, and I'm baby. I use the shoe on. And then that is it, guys. I'll make another video when my dog wakes up. Bye.